Next to cross aldol condensation. Okay, in cross aldol condensation. So in this case, so two different molecules. In that one molecule should have at least one alpha hydrogen. Okay, now this is having alpha hydrogen. Okay, this is acetophenone. Okay, acetophenone with alpha hydrogen. US plus another compound. Okay, now having without alpha hydrogen or with. It may be contain or may not contain, but in this case it does not contain. So without alpha hydrogen, this is a benzaldehyde without alpha hydrogen. Okay, so undergoes condensation reaction. Here two hydrogens, this oxygen will be eliminate. Okay, I am writing two hydrogens like this. So if the product is C double bond O, here CH2O removed, there's C double bond and C forms double bond. So CH double bond C and H, and this is the ring. Okay, this is alpha beta unsaturated product. With respect to this is alpha beta unsaturated compound. The IUPAC name of this compound is what? Especially the IUPAC name, if you take with respect to C double bond O, first priority 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 3 diphenyl, 3 phenyl groups, benzene ring, 1, 3 diphenyl, 2 in propo, 2 in 1 one, propo 2 in 1 one, propo 3 carbons, this is the parent, propo 2 in 1 one, this is IUPAC name. Okay, now this is class is alpha beta unsaturated compound. Okay, so this is a cross aldol condensation reactions. Here condensation means removal of water. So from acetophenone alpha position 2 hydrogens, so alpha 2 hydrogens and another molecule oxygen will be removed, O and H2 will be removed, and removed OH2 and keep double bond simply. This is the double bond, right? So minus water, this is in the presence of dilute base, dilute NaOH or KOH you can take. Okay, so this is the cross aldol condensation reaction. Next to the substitution, electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. So if you see the benzaldehyde, the aldehyde function, this is electron withdrawing group. Okay, here how it can be withdraws electrons from the benzene, you see the mechanism, it will be no. So now if this pi bond migrate here, this bond migrate here, now this carbon get positive charge. Okay, here double bond appear. Next to pi sigma positive, again conjugation, this pi bond migrate here, so here double bond, now here positive appear, now CO minus H, here double bond. Next again pi sigma positive, now this bond migrate. Okay, here pi bond, now here positive appear, CO minus H double bond. Next pi sigma positive, next to this pi bond migrate, negative charge again come back. Now here double bond, here double bond, here double bond, C double bond OH. So there are 5 resonance structures. In all resonance structures, if you see the positive charge, this benzaldehyde group, okay, in all these structures, this CHO group is withdrawing electrons, electron withdrawing group, which should be pulls electrons from the benzene ring exclusively at ortho position and para position. Ortho position, para position, ortho position. So ortho and para positions, this group completely withdraws electrons. So to this case, if you add any electrophile, electron deficient species if you use, already ortho para positions are electron withdraws, electron deficient. So if you use electrophile, always it takes place at meta position only. It attack at meta position only, but not at ortho para position. So electrophilic substitutions takes place at meta position. So therefore electrophilic substitutions takes place at meta position. Okay, now so that's why this CHO group is a meta directing group. The CHO group is called a meta directing group. Not only here CHO, all electron withdrawing groups are meta directing groups because they withdraws electrons from ortho para position. So electrophile will be goes to a meta position. Okay, so these are electrophilic substitution. We will discuss some examples. Next to nitration. Okay, so nitration means benzaldehyde when react with concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4 at the temperature 0 to 10 degrees. So this will be provide electrophile. This reagent provide electrophile nitronium ion. Okay, nitronium ion. This is electrophile. It will be attacked at meta position because this is meta directing group. So we will get to meta nitro benzaldehyde. Okay, meta nitro benzaldehyde. Meta nitro benzaldehyde is the product. Meta nitro benzaldehyde is the product, right? So same way other reactions also you can take. So next to chlorination. So benzaldehyde reaction with chlorine, the presence of Lewis acid, AlCl3, anhydrous Lewis acid, it gives Cl plus chloronium ion. This is the electrophile. It will be attacked at meta position. Where is the meta position? With respect to CHO, first two positions. With respect to this group, these two are ortho, these two are meta. The opposite position, exactly opposite position is a para. So these two are meta. Ortho, meta, and this opposite is a para. So this is meta directing, so it will be attacked to meta position. Okay. So I am writing CHO plus here chloro. So metachlorobenzaldehyde. Okay. So you can take any electrophilic substitution reactions also. The electrophile will be attacked to meta position. Okay, right. Now one more example you can take sulfonation. So benzaldehyde. So concentrated H2SO4 sulfonation if you use. The sulfur trioxide is the electrophile. This is the electrophile E plus. It will be attack on benzene at meta position CHO and here SO3H. So always meta position. So this is sulfonation. Okay. So this is called as This is formyl group. Now this is more priority. SO3H is more priority. So metaformyl benzene sulfonic acid. Metaformyl. Actually, this is the sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. This is the parent. Benzene sulfonic acid. Now meta position to this. This is metaformyl benzene sulfonic acid. Metaformyl benzene sulfonic acid.